Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Queensway wine cellar door today. Okay, so we're on our Queensway wine cellar door today. This is our Queensway Single flat wine cellar door. This door does come in different shapes, sizes, single and double doors, okay? We also make this door for front doors, back doors, whatever you need them. But what makes it a wine cellar door is this door does not have a threshold. So you can also use this on interior doors or wine cellar doors, or a study room, whatever you like. So this piece that you see over here is removable. This is only there for shipping and basically just as it's being moved around so it stays true and stays square. Once you install it, you remove this threshold. That's a temporary threshold we put in there. So it actually, you can have continuous flooring inside the house as the door opens. Typically, we do wine cellar doors pulling out, so the door opens outwards, so it doesn't take up a lot of real estate inside the room. This customer ordered this opening in. We just had it, so we decided to open it up, do a showcase, repackage it, send it to them. This is actually going for a study room, that's why it's opening in. But this is all solid metal, solid flat bars, all welded together. This is all solid metal, hammered and made into these scrolls and put on. And also on the inside, it's duplicated on the opposite side also. This door has a pull handle, outside and inside. It uses a deadbolt. I'll show you guys what keeps the door shut. This is an oil rub bronze door. And also different colors are available in this door. This is clear glass because it's being used inside the house. The loyi has a little bit of reflection to it. Different glass types are available on this door also. Another thing, this is a 3-inch jamb. Actually, I'm sorry, this is a 4-inch jamb that the customer ordered because their interior walls are 4 inches. Typically, wine cellar doors, we do make them in 4 inches. Some people want them in 6 because they have thick interior walls. But awesome door. Let me flip this around and let me show you guys what the inside looks like. Thank you. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Queensway door. Now, if you guys are noticing this, which I notice every little detail, that's because it's actually not mounted on anything. So this side is actually dragging down. So once you put it in, you actually level things out. You put a level on top of this or on the bottom of this, level the whole door out. That'll be all true inside the frame. So let me show you guys how the glass opens. I'll flick the knobs. Glass opens up, makes it easy to clean the glass and the actual metal work. Close that up. That's what the handle looks like from the inside. Okay, this is all solid metal, okay? Nothing's hollow in this door except the price tag. This uses a deadbolt. We put all these bore holes, everything ready for you guys. And the way it actually doors stay shut are roller catches. These are actually they act like your latch, like the thumb latch or doorknob. That's what it acts like, these guys. And then this deadbolt keeps it locked. You can also do a regular bore hole if you like, if needed. And the design is duplicated on the inside kick plate. You can also make this door without a kick plate if you like. If you want to take the glass all the way down, keep the same design going all the way down, you're more than welcome to do that also. There's 3 tabs on our website. One says in stock, special order, and custom order. So on the custom side, that's when you start customizing this door. Different pull handles are definitely available also if you like. And that's it. Pretty simple, easy install. If you've ever installed an interior door, you'll know how much shimming gets involved going this direction. These are mounting tabs. They just basically mount onto your studs. Super simple. Just use a small level, not a large level, because you'll find all little imperfections in the studs. And that's pretty much it. Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on our Queensway wine cellar door today. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkiesirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.